Hello everybody, this is Eastford Wi-Fi Studios coming to you with a amazing video. If you haven't checked out my previous video, please check that out. That was the beginning of this video, kind of. But this is like the next part of this kind of like little series of videos of this package that I got in the mail. So yeah, this is the Hawk 5, the Emax Hawk 5. And you have no idea how excited I am to own this. It's just incredible to own this. It's like my dream drone. So yeah, it's a huge step up from like these kind of like DIY drones that I built. So that's pretty good. I also got the X-Lite, Tyrannus X-Lite. So that's pretty sweet. That's a huge step up from that radio up there. That's the Fly Sky i6, which sucks. So yeah, this is like a huge step up for me. So let's just get started with the video. Let's just dive in. This is just going to be the unboxing and first impressions. Next video for this will be, well, for this and this is just going to be setting up and that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it and see how it goes. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is just carefully unwrap it. Oh. This feels good. Feels good. All right, here we go. Juicy. So let's do this. Unboxing the Emax Hawk 5 210mm FPV Racing Edition. It's still covered with stuff. I'm so... So, right off the bat, we've got Emax stickers. I love it. Oh, these are actually really good stickers too. Nice. These to the side. Thank you, Emax, for the stickers. We've got this. Oh, this is the instruction sheet for the F4 Magnum stack. So this is actually just the stack that they use in this quad. So we have the instructions for that. That's pretty sweet. Got all this instructions. The stack includes the VTX. Doesn't include the receiver. It includes the receiver, the flight controller, and the ESCs, which is pretty sweet. So it includes that for. So yeah. So basically, you can actually buy this stack separately and put it in any one of your quads. Then under that we have the manual for, let's see here. Oh, we have the FR Sky XM Plus as our receiver for this drone. I think it does say D16, does it not? Yeah, it's compatible with the FR Sky D16 mode. We've already set that up on the remote. And now we've got the amazing stuff here, the really crazy stuff. Let's take everything out slowly. We've got two Pagoda antennas. These are both left-hand antennas, so you will have to put one on your drone, one on the goggles. I'm not even going to use these. I am very happy with the linear one that's already on there. I'm not going to mess around with this product at all. I'm going to just enjoy it in all its glory. Alright, and we've got two battery straps. Oh, and what's this? Oh, we've got the connector if you want to swap it for polarized antenna. Linear to the other antennas. So we've got the two battery straps here. Beautiful. These are well, I've heard some people say these are not really good battery straps, but I don't know what they're talking about. These look like pretty good battery straps to me. Put those to the side. This to the side. We've got a bunch of stuff to set up the quad right here. This comes with like some screws, extra hardware, which is really nice of them. Even comes with some zip ties, man. I think these zip ties are for like the antennas. I don't have any heat shrink, oh no, but it's okay. I'm just gonna use some electrical tape. Alright, we've got another manual. What's this one for? This one's for the camera. This actually comes with an Aero Micro Pro. Aero Mini Pro, or whatever it's called. Yeah, which one does this one come with? I'm pretty sure this one comes with the Aero Mini, not Micro. It doesn't come with the Micro, it comes with the Mini. Pretty sure. It's the Foxeer Aero. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Alright, I'm going to put this to the side. What else do we have in here? We've got an extra arm. Oh, that's a good arm. That's a good. That's not budging. That is really nice. I actually highly doubt that this is even gonna break. That's how confident they are giving you this other arm. It's like, yeah, you can break it. Like you're not gonna break it, but even if you do, here's an arm for you. All right, then you've got your camera stuff. So you got your controller for your Foxeer camera. It's just a bunch of buttons that you can adjust your camera stuff with, and it even comes with extra camera screws. Man, they really make sure that you have everything. That's also the batteries, of course. And when I mean everything, I mean like everything. It comes with 4 sets of props. All right, sweet. I'm gonna move these to the side as well. We've got these little things in here. I don't know what these are. I have no idea what these are. Oh, this is for the antenna. Okay. It's pretty sweet. Now, let me take the foam. Well, I'm just going to take it out. God damn it. And here comes out. Oh, the packing. The packaging is so beautiful. I love the packaging. I'm keeping it, honestly. I have to keep this packaging. And here comes the drone. And holy moly, this drone is gorgeous. So the antenna just comes like that, stuck like that, so that it can actually fit in its packaging. So that's the antenna, and I'm not even going to remove this antenna. It's already like kind of glued onto the board, which you can see inside there. There we go. You can see the antenna, which is right here. It's glued on with that white stuff, so I'm not even going to remove this. Also, in the drone, you got your receiver over here. I'm pretty sure that's your receiver. And then you've got your VTX underneath there. Then you've got your flight controller. Then you've got your ESCs. And as you can see here, it's all soft mounted at the bottom here, which is pretty good. And I like how they gave you that big gap there for the battery straps to fit. You can put one battery strap on the bottom, one battery strap over the top for your GoPro, or you can just mount your battery or GoPro right on with the top plate, which is pretty sweet. As you can see here, they gave you this lovely sticky pad here, which is covered in this thing. I'm actually just going to tear it off right now. Beautiful. This is going to keep your batteries from slipping too much. As you can see here, you've got this nice heat shrink for your wires, which is really nice of them to think of. Like, this is a great product. And look how they gave you some like wiggle room for the wires here. That's actually really nice. Yeah. I don't even do that when I'm building my own drones. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's a huge capacitor right there. There's a huge capacitor. That's actually really cool. I've been needing to do that for my drones, but I've just been lazy. Overall, it looks really nice. Actually, I'm going to open it up just so you really can take a first look at it. Oh, it's really tight. I gotta be careful so I don't strip it. Ah, there we go. Man, they tighten it really, really well. I like how it has these guards on the side here. Pretty nice. It's got some decent camera protection. People were complaining about the camera protection, but I'm looking at it and the camera's pretty protected. I don't know what they were talking about. There we go. That's off there. And you can now take a closer look at the components. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm really happy to be able to share this content with you guys, and I honestly love doing it for myself too, because it's nice to have the memory of, especially with something like this. It's good to have that memory when it's all good and shiny and clean and working, before it gets all bashed up and it doesn't work anymore, and then I start crying. But anyways, this was really great. I can't wait to get on with the next video, which basically I'm going to be setting up this quad with this remote, which is the X-Lite, Tyrannus X-Lite. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, and I'll catch you all later. Peace. I would do the that thing, but it's too far. Here, I'll do it with this one. Peace.